Hello students, today you are going to write exercise 8.3. Before that, in your fair book you have to write test of divisibility from PDF, that is divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 4, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 9 and divisibility by 10. So this you are going to write from PDF. Now open new page, give heading exercise 8.3, question number 1. Find the prime factors using division method. Okay, so now we are going to find out the prime factor by using the division method. So number 1, 20. Okay, so first we will make this way, 20 we will write, then we have to do the standing line, then like this. Okay, so now in ones place which digit is there? That is 0. Okay, so in 0 is there, so that is divisible by 2, right? In first we will start from the 2 table. So in 2 table 20 will come. Yes, 2 times 20. So here we will write 2, then down we will write 10. Now again we will see in 2 table 10 will come. Yes, 2 5s 10. Now this 5 will come in 5 table only. So 5 1s 5. So we have to do till 1. So last 1 we are getting, means we have to stop the prime factor. Okay, so we have to, now we are getting the 1. Now here we will stop. So down we will write prime factorization of 20 equal to, what are they? That is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Okay, these are the prime factors. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now number 2, 36. So we will write. So in ones place which digit is there? That is 6. 6 is a even number, so that is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 36 will come, that we have to see. So we will divide and we will see. So 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. So we will carry down this 6. It will become 16. So 2 8s are 16. So 16 minus 16 we will get 0. Means 2 18s are 36. 2 18s are 36. Now again we have to see in 2 table 18 will come. Yes, 2 9s are 18. So we will write 2 9s are 18. Now in 2 table 9 will not come, right? So now we will move to 3 table. In 3 table 9 will come. Yes, 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9. Now 3 will come in 3 table only. So that is 3 1s are 3. So now we will stop here. So we will write prime factorization of 36 equal to, that is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now number 3, 45. Okay, so here in ones place, here 5 is there. So the 5 is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So now we will see in 3 table. So it is divisible by 3 or not. How we will come to know? We will add and see, that is 4 plus 5. We will get 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 3s are 9. So 45 will come in 3 table. So when it will come, so that we will divide and see. So 3 1s are 3. So 4 minus 3 1. We will carry down this 5. It will become 15. 3 5s are 15. So in 3 table when 15 will come, sorry 45 will come, that is 3 15s are. So 3 15s are 45. Now again in 3 table 15 will come. Yes, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is there, means we will take 5 1s are 5. So 1 we are getting. So here we will stop. So prime factorization of 45 equal to 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Now number 4, 50. So at ones place which digit is there? That is 0. So it is divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 50 will come, that we will divide and see. So 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 1. So 0 we will carry it down, so it will become 10. So 2 5s are 10. Means 2 25s are 50. Now in 2 table 25 will not come. Okay. So in 3 table we will add and see. 2 plus 5 7. So 7 is not divisible by 3. Okay. So in 4 table also 25 will not come. In 5 table we will see, that is 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5. So our prime factorization of 50 equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50. Now number 5, 54. So in ones place which digit is there? That is 4. So 4 is a even number divisible by 2. So in 2 table when 54 will come, we will divide and see. So 2 1. First we will take the first digit, that is 5. So 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 1. We will carry down this 4 also. So it will become 14. So 2 7s are 14. Means 2 27s are 54. Now here in ones place 7 is there. So 7 is an odd number. It is not divisible by 2. So now we will move to 3 tables. So 3 table 27 will come. Yes. 3 9s are 27. Again we will do 3 table. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So prime factorization of 54 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So that 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 4, 18 3s are 54. Now number 6, 70. So in ones place 0 is there, so it is divisible by 2. So we will see in 2 table when 70 will come. 2 3s are 6. So 7 minus 6 1. We will carry down this 0, it will become 10. So 2 5s are 10. Means 2 35s are 70. Then in ones place which digit is there? That is 5. Now we will in 3 table it will come or not? We will add and see. 3 plus 5 8. So 8 is not divisible by 3. Then in 4 table also it will not come. In 5 table 35 will come. Yes. 5 7s are 35. Then 7 is there, means it will come in 7 table. 7 1s are 7. So prime factorization of 70 equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70. Number 7, 85. So in ones place which digit is there? That is 5. So 5 is an odd number. It is not divisible by 2. So we will add and see. 8 plus 5 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. In 4 table also it will not come. So in 5 table we will see. Here at ones place 5 is there, means it is divisible by 5. So in 5 table when 85 will come. So 5 1s are 5. 8 minus 5 3. We will carry down this 5. It will become 35. So 5 7s are 35. Means 5 17s are 85. Okay. So 17 will come in only 17 table. So that is 17 1s are 17. So prime factorization of 85 equal to 5 multiplied by 17 equal to 85. Now number 8, 90. So at ones place 0 is there, means it is divisible by 2. So we will divide and see. So 2 4 is 8, 9 minus 8 1, we will carry down this 0, it will become 10. So 2 5 is 10. So 2 45 is 90. Now in 2 table 45 will not come. Okay, now in 3 table that we will add and see 4 plus 5 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So now in 3 table when 45 will come. So 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 1. We will carry down this 5. It will become 15. So 3 5s are 15. So 3 15s are 45. Now again in 3 table 15 will come. Yes, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is there. 5 1s are 5. So prime factorization of 90 equal to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So 2 3 is a 6, 6 3 is a 18, 18 5 is a 90. Now number 9, 91. So at ones place here what there? 1. So that is the odd number, it is not divisible by 2. So now we will add and see 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 is not divisible by 3. So in 4 table also 91 will not come. In 5 table also it will not come. 6 table also it will not come. In 7 table we will divide and see. So 7 1s are 7. So 9 minus 7 we will get 2. We will carry down this 1. It will become 21. So in 7 table when 21 will come. 7 3s are 21. Now 21 minus 21 we will get 0. So 7 13s are 91. Then 13 will come in 13 table, that is 13 1s are 13. So prime factorization of 91 is 7 multiplied by 13. So 7 13s are 91. Now number 10, 160. So at ones place 0 is there, means it is divisible by 2. So when it is 160 divided by 2, so 2 table when 16 will come, that is 288 is 16. Now we will carry down this 0. Okay, so means we have to write in quotient also 0. So 280 is 160. Now again we will see in 2 table when 80 will come, so that is 240 is 80. Then 220 is 40. Then in 2 table when 20 will come, 2 10s are 20. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5 will come in 5 table only. 5 1s are 5. So prime factorization of 160 equal to 2 multiply by 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 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 32 5 is 160. Okay, after doing sums you can rub this all. Okay, whatever we have done division, that you can rub it. Thank you.